Many users searching how to unlock a POCO phone to bypass PIN or pattern or password or SIM lock, or unlock the bootloader for custom firmware or root access. This video covers 4 practical ways to unlock various locks on POCO devices, helping you regain access safely and efficiently. Before you start, have device permission, a good USB cable, and 50% battery, USB drivers, and a data backup. Android Lock Wiper removes POCO locks, bypasses FERP, supports Samsung Unlock when available, factory resets, and works with most POCO C or M or X or F models. User Guide. Step 1. Start by downloading and installing Android Lock Wiper on your PC. For non-Samsung devices like POCO or Xiaomi or Redmi, opt for Remove Screen Lock and click Start. Step 2. Connect your POCO to the computer using a USB cable. The software will automatically detect your device's info. Verify that the display details are correct. If there are any discrepancies, you can manually adjust the information before proceeding by clicking Start to unlock. Step 2. Connect your POCO to the computer using a USB cable. The software will automatically detect your device's info. Verify that the display details are correct. If there are any discrepancies, you can manually adjust the information before proceeding by clicking Start to unlock. Step 4. The unlocking process will begin. It is crucial to keep your phone connected throughout this process. Once it is finished, you will successfully remove the passcode from your device. Part 2. How to unlock a SIM-locked phone via Network Unlock Tool for All My. Download the APK, enable unknown sources, and turn on USB debugging. Install the app, allow permissions, and confirm device info. Choose SIM Unlock. Tap Unlock, then reboot and test with another SIM. Part 3. How to unlock a locked POCO phone via Mi Flash Unlock. Backup data. Use a verified Mi account on phone and Mi Unlock tool. Prepare a Windows PC and USB cable. Enable developer options and fast boot mode. Ensure internet and 50% plus battery. User Guide. Install Mi Unlock tool. Enable OEM Unlock plus USB debugging. Sign in with the same Mi account. Enter fastboot and connect to PC. Open the tool and click Unlock. Part 4. How to remove screen lock in POCO phone via Google Find Hub. Go to Google Find My Device and sign in with your Google account. Select your POCO phone and choose Erase Device. Confirm and wait. Phone will restart unlocked. Set up and add a new screen lock if needed.